Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're going to go for a walk in Long Bay. And so, we don't have all our cameras. I just have the camera in our hand. And away we go, people. And we don't know how well this audio is going to pick up. But we're gonna just try it, you know? It's all we can do is just try things. So look at the view though, look at the view. Woo, my old knees don't handle these stairs well, you know? Madge and I were talking about, I'm gonna adjust the way I have this camera set up here. There we go. Madge and I were talking about how if you had a place this close to the beach, how you'd have to really maintain your place, keep it well painted, because otherwise it's just going to deteriorate. If you look at the nice houses along the road here in Long Bay, what you'll see is that the houses are well painted, and these people over here are in the process of painting it, because this salt air could really be hard on your house, you know. Yeah. All right, here we go. Somebody was saying something the other day on a video I saw that they didn't like it when people just showed their own selves the whole time, and you know, we don't really show ourselves the whole time either, so I'm liable to just switch this and show some people, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. There we go. Oh, see, we got a craft shop here. Keep painting stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Your picture gonna be on YouTube? Is that okay?
It's okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome. See, what do you call those? Calabash?
Yeah.
Calabash. Yeah. Cool.
That's Jamaica first plate.
Yeah.
Jamaica's first plates? Yes. Yeah.
Pops and so on.
I think Africans use them too.
Mm-hmm.
Africans use them.
Yeah, African I think you
Yeah.
Yeah.
100% sure, but
Yeah.
because they have to first plates.
Yeah.
And pot also because you can also cook it. So
Yeah.
All right.
Hats?
yeah, the big one them,
Uh-huh.
then use the make pot.
So how you cook with them?
And so that's dry, then it cannot grow.
Uh-huh.
If it's dry, then it can grow.
So you mean you put it on fire and it won't catch a fire? Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I know they have the clay pots and
Without the paint though, with the paint we never try it, but the natural
they no because the paint now go
the
government.
natural one you can cook inside.
They
Yeah.
don't say it with cooking.
Huh.
So you have big ones?
Yeah, me have big ones, but run a me have.
Uh-huh.
Me go carry them out.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And clay pots too, the Africans use clay pots to cook. And it's better to cook than aluminum. It's better to cook in, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Okay,
Okay. you.
well, we got to go because we got to get our food. Very interesting.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you for your time. Yeah, because we got to go we got to get our food before she sails off for the day. All right, I'm going to go back to just what we're seeing on the road here so everybody can see what we're seeing. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful view.
This look like it's somebody's like.
Yeah, although there's some trash down there, but if you,
But you know,
but don't look at that.
Don't.
Don't look at that. Yeah, I know. Hey, what?
I know. I'm saying they drive
Oh,
crazy.
look, there's a horse. Look, a horse.
Or because people go horseback.
Huh?
People go horseback.
Mm-hmm. Yes. This is Long Bay, people. And we're just, oh, look at the little view over down and through there. I want to show the people that. I got to be sure and pause enough because I may have to edit this quite a
This
bit.
is the tree that we saw over the botanical garden. This thing that is.
What is that? What kind of fruit?
I don't remember. It's over the botanical garden. Remember when we went over by the
Uh-huh.
botanical garden?
Yeah. Yeah. It's not really that big a horse because I can see over the top of it. I can see over the top of it. It's not really a big horse. Boy, look at the mountain behind us here where the, you know, that's Portland though. This is Long Bay and Portland that we're at, people. And we're staying in a little Airbnb villa place just for a couple days because we went to a party. Actually, not even a couple days now. We'll be gone in a day. But
We used to go to designing school. My husband.
hello.
We go
I got you on YouTube. Is that okay?
Yeah, man, you feel really?
Yes.
Yeah.
And be a regular star.
No.
Yeah.
They're more silly. They're much more silly.
Okay.
So that's the large one.
Yeah.
Oh, we want the 2 size then. Yeah. Yeah. Don't you think we need bigger? We don't eat it. We'll, save it for later or something.
I saw the sign, so I came in.
I didn't know that it was.
I'm trying to turn up. I said,
Wait, that's somebody you know.
yeah.
That's funny. Yeah. Anyway, the reason we didn't order when we just walked in here, people, is because Madge came down walking here earlier to check everything out while I was replying to some comments on YouTube for y'all to stay connected with everybody. And she came down here and saw the friend and he decided to get something to eat.
Chicken was good.
The chicken was already finished, but that's what I was in the mood for, was fried chicken.
But because I had to come back.
Yeah, so she had it, but then when she came back, after she knew what I wanted, it was finished.
Not cool.
So then she came back again, and she's making more. So we're gonna get it because it's a popular place. It finished quick.
Okay.
It finished quick. What's the name? What's the name of the place?
Why don't we see this?
Why did
Why don't we see
Seaview? Okay.
Yeah.
And that stands for Yvette.
Event.
Okay. And that's you, Yvette.
And that's me.
Okay.
Yay.
But I really sent them as we live,
I said,
Yeah. I don't remember now go,
how we started seeing that in music?
Eh?
You want to lay in a airborne?
Yeah, you can't do my leg and tie.
Well, you have to get beef.
Yes, I
How
know.
will your granddad technique?
She wants straight chicken. She wants straight chicken. Yeah. She wants rice.
All right, people. There's some music out here. I probably won't be able to get out of here, so won't be able to edit that out. I'm gonna have to come in here. So I can probably edit it out in here, I'll just have to turn up the editor to get the music out, but in here I can't do it. Out there I can't do it. It won't come out. Okay, people. We got a little something to eat from the lady that Madge went to design school with, or whatever it was. Was it design school, sweetie? Hey, Madge, you call it design school? Huh? Oh, sorry. It's called design school you went to? Fashion designing school. Yeah, yeah. Madge didn't even know. It just goes to show, it's a small world. Jamaica's a small country. So, I'm gonna stay over here for a minute and get a shot of the sea again. I don't know what that was, but that was something somebody wanted to do. People, we were gonna go do some more video. We came back and I thought about videoing us eating a little bit, but we just ate and then we got busy eating. I didn't want to bother videoing, and I'm so full I hardly feel like walking because my belly feels so full. So we want to go for a walk though. Walk down the beach down there. Okay, you can go along somewhere and walk on the beach. The problem is, it's actually like it's trying to rain here. If you look down over this way, it's kind of raining, and every once in a while you feel some drops. It's all like the water's gonna kill us though, sweetie. We could go in the rain. We could go for a walk in the rain. That'd be kind of cool. I don't know what we'll do. I don't know what we'll do. We might, but it sure is beautiful. I hate to leave up here because it's so nice and breezy and cool, and it's almost getting cold. It almost has a chill in the air, you know? Almost has a chill in the air. I'll have to check the temperature here, see what the temperature is. I wish all these wires weren't here in front of me, and maybe they hardly show up on this video, which is good, because I guess when I'm looking out at, I don't really see the wires. I kind of like my focus in my eyes goes past it. But I wish they weren't there. I'm sure all these people wish they weren't there too, but you know, a lot of above ground wires still. They don't really do below ground wires in Jamaica like they do in foreign, you know. So, and I don't even know how that works when you're so close to the ocean, if you can even do in ground. So I don't know, but what I do know is it's really pretty here, and we're really enjoying it. And I wish the rain wouldn't come because I want to go for a walk on the beach, but I guess we could maybe do it in the morning, you know, before we head out. Or we could decide to stay another day, but I hate to spend the money, you know. Anyway, that's the deal, people. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do here. We'll see what the weather does, and then we'll take it from there. All right, people. It's beautiful standing here by the beach, you know, or on the beach, watching the water come up. Every once in a while it comes all the way up and gets my feet wet, you know. So, woo, like right here. Like right here. All right, I'm gonna go. Wow, I'm gonna go walk this way and look at the pickaninny in the water down here. That looks like they could be my grandchildren, but I'm not sure of that. But we'll see what's going on down here. People, this is something I've never really, you know, done in my whole lifetime. Just walk the beach, so it's kind of the first, even though I've been in Jamaica for quite some time. Madge was kind of waiting on some people supposed to come to where we're at, so she couldn't come with me. Wow. Water comes clear up to this wall here, you know. Well, the water's definitely a little rough here. I wouldn't want to swim in it. I'd be too afraid, you know. It's getting. Uh-oh. 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 I got a little bit wet. You know, and the wind stopped, people. If the wind hadn't stopped, this would really be something. But look at some of these waves. There's some pretty big ones breaking out there. There's some very nice, good sized ones breaking out here. Uh-oh. That's a little bit deeper than I got in deeper than I thought. The water's very nice, and I'm very wet. Uh-oh. I got batteries in that pocket. I better be careful. I'll be ruining a battery. Oh, to be young, you know. I kind of wanted to walk out on that little island out there where those little huts are at. Maybe you can't see them in the distance. Maybe I'll have to zoom in for it. But I understand that walkway out there is a little wobbly. And that's what I was concerned about. It could cause me to, as heavy as I am, you know, may not handle a big person, may just handle a small person. I could just stand here and look all day, people. Just look and look all day. You know? Well, it's too bad my baby Mad couldn't come out here with me. But maybe she'll come out another time. This beach goes way, way down. See, look. That's why they call it, that's what they call Long Bay, because it's such a long bay. Looks like you're body surfing. Are you body surfing? There's some big waves out there a ways. See them? But don't you dare go out there. I'll have to swim out and bring you back, you know. Okay, people, as you can see, it's kind of getting dark. So, I'm gonna have to give it up here, I guess, because it's getting dark. These little guest houses or whatever they are along here, or maybe homes where these people are sitting just right next to the sea. I like those, but I bet the price on those is a lot higher than what we're paying, but maybe not. Might bear checking out sometime just to do it for one day, you know, just to experience it. But we'll see. We would see about it. Well, I think the best way for me to get back to the road would maybe be down this way. So that's what I'm going to try. Really nice down here, and you know, even this time of day, it's where it's getting dark. Hopefully the video is showing up okay and y'all are getting a good picture. Hopefully. Yeah, it's starting to spit rain again, so I'm going to see if I can make my way back up to the top here without rolling down. Okay. When I take a step, take a step, my body would have wanted to go down instead of up. Yeah, we'll go over here. Kind of some steel up in here I gotta be careful of. Okay. Yeah. Trying to get too much sand on me, because if I get too much sand on me, I'm liable to get it in my equipment, and I really don't want sand in my equipment, which is why I didn't take my phone down into the water. So. That's some noise. That's some noisy motorcycles. All right, people, let's go ahead and wrap this up. I guess Madge is still up there. So, okay, big up yourself. Oh, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later. And amen.